Bro, you won't believe what happened today. I met a dog that can talk.
A talking dog, really? What did it say? Woof.
No, I asked him, hey, what's your name? And he said, Ruff.
That's just barking, dude.
Then I asked, what's your favorite movie? He said, The Dark Knight Rises.
Seriously?
Then I said, you're kidding me, right? And he looked me dead in the eyes and said, I'm not K9 Ding.
Okay, now I want this dog.
Too late. He's hosting a podcast called Bone to be Wild.
All right, I need to meet your dealer.